In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use templates on Google Sites fast and easy. Google Sites offers a quick and user-friendly way to create a visually appealing website, even if you don't have any prior design experience. Let's explore how you can utilize templates to get your site up and running seamlessly. The first thing you'll want to do is open your web browser and head over to Google Sites. You can easily search for Google Sites in your preferred search engine, and it should be among the top results. Once you're on the main Google Sites page, you'll find various options to start your project. But today, we'll focus on using templates to jumpstart the process. Now, on the Google Sites homepage, you will see an option labeled Template Gallery. Clicking this will open up a variety of pre-designed templates that can save you valuable time and effort. The beauty of these templates is that they cater to a range of different needs, whether you're creating a portfolio, a website for your organization, or a personal blog. Take your time to browse through the available options to find one that best fits your intended purpose. Once you've found a template that catches your eye, click on it to begin the customization process. This is where the fun begins, because you can start to make the template your own. The Google Sites editor is quite intuitive, which makes customization a breeze. You can change the text and swap out images to align with your brand or personal style. Google Sites provides placeholder content in the template, acting as a guide to help you envision what your final site might look like. Simply click on any text or image element, and you'll be able to replace it with your own content. As you replace the sample text, images, and buttons with your personalized content, remember that even the smallest changes can vastly improve the uniqueness of your site. Include your own images or utilize royalty-free images if needed, ensuring that every part of the website represents your vision. Next, you'll want to adjust the colors, fonts, and layouts according to your preferences. Google Sites offers a range of design tools that make this process straightforward. Play around with different color schemes and font types until you find a combination that speaks to your aesthetic. Tailoring these elements can greatly enhance the intimacy or professional feel of your site, depending on what you're aiming for. Once you're satisfied with the customization and design of your site, take a moment to review everything to ensure it aligns with your objectives. And there you have it. You've successfully used a Google Sites template to create a fast, effective website. With these simple steps, you can have your website live and shared with the world in no time at all. Happy website building?